Hey guys, it's Julie. I'm going to do a screen share and going to see if I can help you guys set up a fan page. Let's see if I can do this. Share my screen. Cool. Okay, so we're going to go into Facebook. So here I am on my personal profile. I'm going to go to create page. Now you have several choices when you want to create your page. And I would also change the www here and put that as business. I would use a cause or a community unless you want to be a public figure. I have done some with brands as branding yourself, just your own name. The cause and community is just a little bit easier. So I'm going to do a Facebook page on my phone. Okay. I love music. Now you can do something on anything you're passionate about, to tell you the truth. Music, animals. If you're a stay-at-home mom and if you have children, you can do a mother's page. If you're a grandmother, which I'm not yet, you could do a grandmother's page. If you're passionate about fishing, you can do a fishing page. There's so many different things that you're capable of creating a fan page on that you're going to want to have fun about, or with it actually. So let's just do, I love music, and I already started this actually. So where did I go? Go home. I'm going to go to pages. Or you can also go here and create a page too. So my pages, and this is the one I just recently set up for informational purposes. So the first thing you're going to want to do is change this again to a business page. Okay, so it does look a little bit different. Now your cover photo is going to be something relevant, of course, to what your fan page is on. And you can actually look at Google for all kinds of stock photos. So if you were doing something to do, so Facebook cover photos, dogs. And there's some really cute pictures here that you can pick from, and all you're going to do is right click it and save the image, and it will download onto your computer. So there's lots of different ideas that you can get if I did have an issue when I went to this and put this cover on here. Let's just change the cover. Upload. Let's do music. Okay, let's try this one. So even though we picked one that said Facebook cover photo, it's saying that this one wasn't big enough. Well, let's just try and see what happens. Well, it's not letting me open it. Okay, cancel, change. Choose from photos. I don't have any. So change, upload. Okay, so I did create this one, and I put I Love Music on it, and I did it in Canva. So we're going to go to Canva. This is a free account that you can design anything you want. So we're going to do a Facebook cover. I'm going to check my uploads. So I have some in here. Okay, so this is another one for music. And then you can just stretch that. Oops. And then I would go ahead and do a dark background, just so you know exactly where you're at. Now you can also add text on there if you would like. And then you can go up here and you can change the color. I'm going to use black on this. I'm going to put it right there. You can actually go here, back to your text, and you could do a little, you can change the actual look of the text. You can change the size of the font, and then you can also do your color. And this is not all the colors. I don't know why it's coming up like that. Tell you the truth. Let me see. All right, so you have your color wheel here, and you can take it to whatever color you want, just with your mouse. You're going to left click it, and then take it to the color you want. So let's put a little red in there. And I'm just going to put like this page. And don't use any punctuation, because I found out the hard way that they don't like too much punctuation on that. And then you're just going to download it. I don't want to post it. So you can create lots of different things in Canva. I don't want to do that anymore. Okay. But you can search all the images they have here. If you wanted to do something on fishing, you can search photos for fishing. And here you go. All different kinds of things you could do there. Now some of these do cost. I'm only using the free version. And that one's pretty cool. So you have the options of using this to get your fan page going. And then, of course, you're going to do a profile picture. And you can do the same thing in Canva. Now this is the social media post. This is the one that would be like your profile pic, and you would create it in that size. So anything you want to do, let's say you wanted to do fish. Oops. Or you can do illustration. None of these are free. That's weird. Oh, here's a free one. And then you just make it to the size you need it. And if you wanted to add text on here, you could. Oops, I lost it. Okay, so and you can make the font bigger. You could put a question mark in there. You could change the color. And then you just download it and save it to your computer. And it's all free. So let's go back to our fan page that we kind of have going. So you have your cover, you have your profile. You can, let's save this. And then you can schedule your posts if it's on a business fan page. So you can go to scheduled. Move this. And then you can create. And then you can hit schedule. And you can schedule it days in advance at a certain time that you want them to post. and all you have to do is hit schedule, and it will post it for you. You don't have to do them sequential, whatever time or on the date that you schedule them, that's when they will be posted by Facebook. Now they're in your page. Usually when you actually set up a new page, you can actually go in here and you can pin it to your shortcuts. You can change the visibility of who can see your page. Go in here. This says the page is published. You can control if anyone can post on your page or if anyone can add photos or video. So these are things that you need to go through and check on, okay? Lots of different people use fan pages for different things. You can check for profanity to be sure that people aren't just adding crap on your page. And you can go to messaging. You can actually have a response assistant. If someone sends you a message on your page, you can set up a message that will go out to them if you're not on Facebook at that time. You can show a messenger greeting. There's other things that you can do with Messenger too, including free Facebook bots, but I'm not going to get in that today. That is a whole new can of worms. Anyway, I hope that gives you a little bit of insight. The reason I say you do want a business page, because later on, if you want to promote your page using Facebook ads, you're able to go ahead and do that from here. And you'll see all your tools that you're able to do. You can check on insights. When you're actually looking for a niche that you would like to get into, you can go in and look at other fan pages that are on that niche and see how popular they are, see what kind of likes they have, what kind of following they have. You can actually go in there and look at them and see how much interaction they have on their page, which is very good. That's what you want to build, something that you know that other people are interested in, and you can see that from audience insights. And I'll go over that on another video, not at this time because I don't want to keep it too long. I don't want to bore you guys. And if you have any questions, go ahead and reach out to me. All right, thanks.